it says the following reaction has an equilibrium constant of 1.0 times 10 to the minus 15 at high temperatures. Here's the reaction. Which of the following statements is true? The system consists almost entirely of product molecules at equilibrium. The system has higher concentration of product molecules than reactant molecules at equilibrium, but there are significant quantities of both. Approximately equal. Almost entirely reactants. More reactants than products, but fairly close. Okay, so this is just like the problem that we already did. It looks at the value of Kc. And it deals with what's called the position of equilibrium. And I think what you'll find is that there's a whole bunch of values for Kc up here, or equilibrium constant. It actually doesn't even tell you whether it's Kc or Kp. Let's assume it's Kc, but that doesn't matter. What you'll find is some of these have very small values of Kc. When there's very small values of Kc, the position of equilibrium will be almost entirely towards reactants. So I'll write almost entirely reactants. When Kc is something like 1.0 times 10 to the plus 15, it's almost entirely products. And if you're ever in doubt about how to solve one of these problems, go ahead and write out the Kc expression. At least that's the way I think of it. Write it out in terms of concentrations, and then logic through how to get it. For example, if Kc equals 1.0 times 10 to the minus 15, that means at equilibrium, there must be a whole bunch more hydrogen fluoride than hydrogen or fluorine at equilibrium. On the other hand, if it's plus 15, there would have to be a whole lot more products than reactants at equilibrium. And so, almost entirely reactants would be the answer for this one. Any questions about that?